Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Carbon Earth Vessel Programming. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. August 21, 2019. The Arcturians, old souls at the ninth dimension, the Pleiadians, Orions, Sirians, Andromedans, Christ's consciousness and observers from universes and galaxies at differing frequencies are observing Earth evolution. They are tasked to assist the planet and similar third-dimension planets graduate to their 5D. However, take caution as some ETs are of dark kind masquerading as righteous gods but enslaving mankind and making puppets of others. Edgar Cayce, 1877–1945, a psychic, received messages asleep from ET beings and has been a subject of research and scientific studies why these happens. 21st century humans are recipients of messages from higher frequency beings. Pope Benedict XVI admitted the existence of planets with living beings remembering truth as they operate two major telescopes observing the workings of the universe. Our scientists, including the biggest in Prague, China, with giant telescopes declared we are 6.4 billion years old evolving while 9th-D beings say we are shifting to 5th-D in the next decade. These are perspectives of past future realities but the latest shift/ascension is the best news for us, as we receive continuous intense energies from Source. On a light higher note, we are very powerful than any writings, Bibles nor beliefs written to worship life of persons who awakened earlier than the humans of 21st century did who are aplenty by thousands. They never desire to be worshipped but people does, to make money from false beliefs. Let us not create religions to impose false pagan beliefs but create beautiful nature paradise realities our best version of our desires instead, that is remembering who we really are. Intense energies are supplied and flowing from Source preparing us for ascension, or the shift faster than anyone can experience, as an individual. Believe what your higher self tells you that resonates with mind of your heart, mind. Looping, incarnation, trials of physicality, exposure to darkness and duality are recurrent if we are not prepared for the shift that Source energy arranged for us. Take care, listen, love our bodies. Rely less on medical aids of systemic programming of death to 60 to 80 years old for us humans with controllers' use of deadly poisons. Light body processes, mistaken for diseases, a process that our carbon bodies need upgrades and body preparation our body ascension preparation tool. It is a hard test for light workers but we are subjected to it and diagnosed incorrectly by fake physics and medical doctors. We emphasize laughter, joy, love and casting out fears and sorrows and health issues. They are now common topics of discussion at MSM and social media. The false programs and beliefs forced through our conscious minds, throats and brains, created subservience which we all understand by now that spread to the consciousness of majority of humans. Relax, meditate, give love, light. We are unconditional love beings created by Source. Share compassion, kindness and forgiveness despite ostracism. Stay always aligned with intense incoming energies. At the 5th D we will take the form of crystalline light or less dense form than our carbon bodies. Be yourself, unafraid of mortality and be a perfect example of a being of unconditional love. You are a very powerful creator, get out of carbon vessel programming, live the truth of who you are. There are no boundaries between physical and the non-physical beings as we are one. That is our journey. Prepare for oneness with Source at this level of vibrational frequency, the 5th D. We will continuously evolve to the highest frequency. Source energy designed for us to attain as many perspectives that he desired. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., 8/17/2019. About the author. Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, oneness with Source, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood and industrial estates at C/me and corporations creating jobs, sharing knowledge. Link at ornedojra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net, read/hear messages at in5d.com, Universal Channeling.